Welcome to this mathematical proof exploration. Today, we will verify the truth of a set theory statement. Consider the universal set you defined as follows. U equals the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have two subsets. A equals the set containing 1, 3, 5, and B equals the set containing 2, 4, 6. Our task is to validate the equation. The complement of a union B equals the intersection of a complement and B complement. First, let's find the union of sets A and B. A union B results in the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will find the left-hand side of the equation, the complement of a union B. This is calculated as U minus A union B. Thus, we have the universal set minus the set containing 1 through 6. The result is the set containing 7. Next, we calculate the right-hand side, a complement intersection B complement. First, we find a complement, U minus A. This gives us the universal set minus the set containing 1, 3, 5, resulting in 2, 4, 6, 7. Now, for B complement, U minus B. This gives us the universal set minus the set containing 2, 4, 6, resulting in 1, 3, 5, 7. Next, we find the intersection of a complement and B complement. The set containing 2, 4, 6, 7 intersected with the set containing 1, 3, 5, 7. The common element is 7. Comparing both sides, we see left-hand side equals the set containing 7 and right-hand side equals the set containing 7. Thus, we conclude that both sides are equal. The statement is proven to be true. Thank you for joining this mathematical exploration. Until next time,